Assalamu alaikum to class. How are you all? Our chapter name is keyboard and we start our reading from punctuation keys. So let's start our reading. Punctuation keys are found on the right side of alphabetic keys. These keys are used when you write a sentence or a paragraph. For example, a full stop is used at the end of each sentence. Look the punctuation keys on the keyboard. These keys like full stop, greater than, less than, backslash, question mark. These keys are punctuation keys. Now we use these punctuation keys. Look, for example, we press the full stop key. When we press, then we use full stop, question mark, greater than, less than, apostrophes. These are punctuation keys. Okay, these are punctuation keys. It is on right side of alphabet keys. Okay, now we read about arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard to move to the cursor left, right, up and down. Arrow marked on keys shows the direction in which the cursor moves. Arrow keys are also called cursor control keys. Arrow keys are used to move cursor up and down, left or right. Look at this. For example, these are arrow keys. When we press the right, left, cursor move to the left side. When we press the right arrow key, then cursor move to the right side of the characters or symbols. Down key is used to move to the cursor down. Up arrow key is used to move the cursor to the upward. These arrow keys are also called cursor control keys because it controls the cursor. Okay students, now we read computer etiquettes. How we use the computer. Always press the keys on the keyboard gently. Do not sit too close to the monitor because it is harmful for your eyes. So don't sit too close to the monitor. Okay students, now we see now you know. You also read the now you know. In this you will make the fill in the blanks and MCQs. For example, there are dash alphabet keys on the keyboard 26. There are dash number keys on the keyboard 10. There are dash function keys on the keyboard 12. Enter key takes the cursor to the next line. We will make the fill in the blanks or multiple choice like dash key takes the cursor to the next line. Enter key. Spacebar insert blank space between dash words. Backspace key and delete key helps you in dash your mistakes on the computer screen. Erasing. Numlock key is used to use dash keypad. Numeric keypad. There are dash shift keys on the keyboard 2. Arrow keys are also called dash keys. Cursor control. So from now you know you will make the fill in the blanks or multiple choice questions. Next you have key terms. Key terms in key terms you have a definition of cursor. Cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor of a computer. This is a definition of cursor. Next Backspace key. Backspace key erases the character type on the left side of the cursor. Delete key. Delete key erases the character type on the right side of the cursor. Backspace key removes or erase the character on left side, and delete key erase the character from right side. Caps lock. When on, you can type capital alphabets. Numlock key. When on, you can type number using numeric keypad. Shift key. When pressed, causes a typed letter to appear in uppercase. The upper symbol of number keys or symbol keys are also typed with its help. Okay students, now we will write on notebook. Ready your notebook for difficult word. First write classwork. Now write topic. Keyboard. 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 Difficult words. DIFF. Difficult. CULT. Difficult words. WORDS. Difficult words. First we write punctuation. 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 Now we write alphabetic. A L P H A B E T I C. Alphabetic. Sentence. 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 Paragraph. 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 Arrow keys. ARROW. Arrow. KEYS. Keys. Arrow keys. Cursor control. CURSOR. Cursor. CONTROL. Cursor control. Gently. 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 And appears. 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 Okay students, now do reading and do practice on computer. Have a nice day.